Welcome back. Vineyard FC and Tafari Lions will contest the final of the St. Elizabeth Major League following Sunday's semi-finals at Stets. It took extra time to decide the winner between Vineyard and Newcombe Valley, which ended 1-0. With no goal in regulation time, Maxwell Robinson found the winner in the 105th minute to send Vineyard into next Sunday's final.
Into this game today was a I don't even know what to call it. But today is just history. After 5 years of drought, the community really come back together and really farm back football. And we came to the Major League semi-final double time. And now we are here at the semi-final and now we are one at the final. So it's a big plus for us and the team. The boys has really done well.
Tafari Lions booked their place in the final with a 1-0 win over Holland FC.
Formulate the team from D1, and we won the D1. Then we decided that we're going to play in the Major League. Now we're in the finals of the Major League, so it's just customary, you know, we just keep going step by step, step by step, step by step. And there's nothing wrong if we win the Major League to try to get our next team up into the Premier League from St. Elizabeth.